we do. She is the best little girl in the whole world. Show me your spits.
Look what your dumbass dog wants to do. Are you filming her?
Yes, I am, Mr. They're calling the dog a dumbass. I was trying to get those spits. Yeah. Yep, that's what I wanted. I wanted you to spit. We gotta show Grandma. Yeah, we gotta show Grandma those spits. Because you look ridiculous. You gonna get angry now? Oh, forget the angry spits. Now we're just gonna cry. Are we done? Do booga booga.
Booga booga.